Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you're working in a static-free environment to protect the internal components of your laptop. First, power off your Lenovo Legion Y540 completely and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any attached peripherals. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Keep track of all screws, as they will be needed for reassembly. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. After removing the back panel, carefully detach the battery connector. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, locate the EC board on the motherboard. If you're unsure where it is, refer to the Lenovo Legion Y540 service manual available online for a detailed diagram. Before proceeding, inspect the EC board for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you're not familiar with diagnosing electronic components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Now, using the plastic prying tool, gently lift the EC board from its socket. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once it's free, perform a thorough cleaning of the area using isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that could interfere with connectivity. This step is vital for ensuring a clean environment for the new board. If you find that the EC board is indeed damaged and needs replacement, you can source a compatible replacement part online. Ensure you verify that it matches your laptop's specifications to avoid any compatibility issues. If you prefer, we can assist you with sourcing the part and provide a quote before repair. Once you have the new EC board, position it carefully in the socket and press it down until it's secure. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it's firmly seated. Then, replace the back panel of the laptop and screw it back in place using the Phillips head screwdriver. Remember to replace all screws in their original locations to maintain the integrity of the device. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that everything is properly connected and secured. If you're unsure about any step, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation or making calls. Simply schedule a service with us, and we'll handle the rest. Now, power on your Lenovo Legion Y540. If it boots up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and checking internal components, can prevent future damage and keep your laptop running smoothly. Always prioritize keeping your device clean to extend its lifespan and performance. In summary, repairing the EC board of your Lenovo Legion Y540 may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a careful approach, it's definitely achievable. Stay tuned for more technical guides and tips for your devices. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.